So I never really knew you, gotta really try to. Blindsided and addicted, felt we could really do this, but really I was foolish. Hindsight is obvious. Talking with my lawyer, she said, where'd you find this guy? I said, young people fall in love with the wrong people sometimes. Some mistakes get made, that's alright, that's okay. You can think that you're in love when you're really just in pain. Some mistakes get made, that's alright, that's okay. In the end it's better for me, that's the moral of the story, babe. Ooh, 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 ooh. It's funny how memory turns into a bad dream when running wild turns volatile. Remember how we painted a house just like grandparents did, so romantic, but we fought the whole time. Should have seen the signs. Talking with my mother, she said, where'd you find this guy? I said, people fall in love with the wrong people sometimes. Some mistakes get made, that's alright, that's okay. You can think that you're in love, but you're really just in pain. Some mistakes get made, that's alright, that's okay. In the end it's better for me, that's the moral of the story, babe. Ooh, 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 ooh. They say it's better to have loved than lost, than never to have loved at all. That could be a load of shit, but I just need to tell you all. Some mistakes get made, that's alright, that's okay. You can think that you're in love when you're really just engaged. Some mistakes get made, that's alright, that's okay. In the end it's better for me, that's the moral of the story. Some mistakes get made, that's alright, that's okay. You can think that you're in love, but you're really just in pain. Some mistakes get made, that's alright, that's okay. In the end it's better for me, that's the moral of the story, babe. Ooh, 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 Hey, what's going on, everybody? Thank you so much for watching this video. I do want to give a huge shout out to my Patreon members. I'll put them right up here. Thank you so much for supporting me and this channel. I really, really, really appreciate it. If you do want to join the Patreon family, I'll put a link in the description below. Also, if you're like, Ricky, what is that beautiful uke? Well, this is the Enya Nova Ukulele series. I'll put a link in the description below where you can find this uke as well. It's an absolute beauty of a uke and absolutely love it. It comes in 5 different colors, and yeah, highly recommend that you go check out the links in the description below. Also, if you want to learn this song, there's a tutorial for this song also linked in the description, also in the top comments, and I'll also put it right up here, ding. And I like how I did my own sound effect for that, but I did. I don't have to do that in edit. But anyways, yeah, click that and then let me know if you do learn it. Also follow me on Instagram. It's just at Ricky Somborn. Say hi, send me a DM, let me know what video you came from YouTube, and I would love to chat. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you later. Bye.